Are you cold?
No, I'm not cold.
You're not cold?
No.
You want to get out?
No.
Are you?
Now you'll see me some world-class things you would never see anywhere else.
Climb every mountain and sweep every
This is David. Clap for him.
Bobbie, Leach, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Bobbie Lex and I'm sharing my journey as an international student in Canada. In my last video, I took you through my first day in school, from the orientation event, exploring campus and meeting some amazing people. Today, we're continuing the experience with more orientation activities and my first day of class. Let's get into it. It's another day of orientation week and I'm slowly settling into the routine. Woke up, got ready and headed to the bus stop. Now with my Algoma University student ID card, I can take the bus for free by just simply showing that to the bus driver to get on the bus. So no more paying for U-ride, because how much am I earning? Today's activities are packed and I was really looking forward to meeting more people and exploring the city.
I can't believe this is my natural camera and I'm looking this fine. Don't play. A broad boy Loma. Hi guys, it's your boy Bobbie Lex and I just got here. I'm at the speakeasy. Don't play with me.
The first orientation activity for the day was the city bus tour. But while they were getting ready, Hugh had a different plan. Tea. He was excited for me to try one of his favorites, so we made a quick stop to grab a cup. And it was really nice, to be honest.
2 times the sugar for the tea.
Yes, don't play with me.
After that, we met up with the others for the city bus tour. An amazing chance to see more of Sault Ste. Marie, learn about different bus routes, and just vibe with new friends.
No. Oh my god. Is there anyone else whose parents are not in America?
Yeah? I'll be bugging. You be bugging me? Yeah, bugging you.
Okay, let's see how far.
Yeah, let's see how much.
I hope you know
can.
you're not getting this head warmer back. It's mine now.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure.
Here's our model from India.
Why is my face so shiny in this?
Because
Oh, sun.
oh wow, your face is so shiny and mine is
What?
no, I see what you're trying to do.
Oh,
here.
okay.
Okay, the black guy's face is not shiny, then the white guy's face is shiny.
Apparently, the bus tour covered all the key spots in the zoo. Bus routes, terminals, Walmart and other stores and more. But honestly, most of us weren't even paying attention. We were too busy chit-chatting and making noise.
Back to the bus.
One stop we were actually looking forward to was the Canadian Bushplane Heritage Center, an aeronautic museum in the zoo. But unfortunately, it was closed when we got there. Just our luck. Hopefully, I'll get a chance to explore it another time.
You're vlogging.
No, not really.
You're taking a selfie.
Yeah.
This guy.
I'm not taking a selfie.
You taking me. He's recording me.
He just likes to appear in my vlogs. Don't lie.
Okay, I do.
And with that, the tour wrapped up and we headed back to school.
What an amazing tour. We saw
What a train stop.
what did we actually achieve with this
Did you enjoy the bus tour?
Terminals and stuff like that.
We saw gold-plated floored terminals.
Architect,
And
Walmart,
Walmart.
Depot.
So many architectural amazements.
Woodwork.
Some world-class things you would never see anywhere else.
Welcome to Strawberry and Bleachers.
It was movie time at the Speakeasy, but honestly, we were way more into the board games. It was like Monopoly, but with Sault Ste. Marie as the city and its landmarks. It was such a fun way to connect and get familiar with the area.
Hi guys. So this is the basketball ground.
Yes.
More like badminton ground and football ground. There are our friends. This is Davy Jones.
David.
Subscribe to David Gaming. And I'm Gunak. You'll see me soon.
We're always seeing you. What are you ready for right now?
I'm ready for badminton.
Badminton.
Yep.
Does that mean you're a bad boy?
No, it means I exercise.
Ooh, okay,
Yeah.
that's some biceps there. Wow, okay. Show off, bitch. Show off.
This guy. Okay. Kill 7. But then playing
Rakim, what are you here for? What? Keep your head out of my video.
What do you mean the white racket? That one there?
Where? What are you looking for exactly?
Racket.
A racket thief.
Yeah, the infamous racket thief.
A raccoon.
Raccoon. No racket. Different name? Yeah, there's no racket.
You know a guy whose name is what?
Obu.
From what country?
He said he was from Northern Africa. I'm not sure.
Okay, Northern Africa.
Yep.
Nigeria is West Africa.
Okay.
Nigeria is not Northern
I didn't
Africa.
say I knew you from Nigeria. I said I knew him from Africa.
Okay.
I mean, he is black.
Okay, so anyone who's black, we're all related. Right?
Yeah, of course.
We're all like brothers and sisters.
No, of
Because
course
we're all
not.
black.
No,
Hmm?
never. Nope.
But because his name is Obu, I should know the name.
No, I didn't say that.
We were finally done with doing absolutely nothing at the GLC. And I must say that it was really fun, wasn't it? So now we were heading home, but this time we didn't take the bus. Gunang's father was kind enough to take Yuk and me with them in the car, and he dropped us off at our houses. That was really thoughtful of him. Fun fact, he doesn't live in Canada. He's actually based in the US, but came around to see his son. Aww, amazing, right?
He's gonna drive his truck here. I don't even know. What?
He drives the truck.
He has 2 trucks. It's for the business. He's gonna come to Montreal.
It's a new day and my first official day of class. Orientation week isn't over yet, but we have classes in between. This will be my first class in 5 years since graduating from university, and honestly, I'm feeling a bit anxious. Excited, but anxious to see what it's like.
going to my first class ever.
When I got to school, there was a campus fair happening at the Speakeasy, one of the orientation activities. I decided to drop by before class. To qualify for the raffle draw, we had to visit every table, each representing different departments in the school. There were a lot of freebies and things to be won on each table. I quickly grabbed what I could before heading on to class. Now it was time to separate the boys from the men.
Hey, what's up?
I'm good. What's going on? Heading to our first class
Are you gonna upload this
of
on?
the semester.
How are you? We are heading to our class.
Are you making any
and,
vlog?
It's our first day.
Yeah.
Let's see what happens. And we are already late by 10 minutes.
Actually, you can.
I'm hoping we don't get kicked out.
Yeah.
From upstairs.
Let me show you how. So, firstly, we have to push that button for our floor. And we have to wait.
The fourth floor.
Yeah, we are on the fourth floor. Okay. Yeah, that's great.
Woo.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Ayaz. He's Parth.
Hi.
He's Krish. And one man only, David.
David, don't play.
Yeah.
People are already
Go ahead.
So when we use industry standard tools like Trello, I really like Trello.com. That one is useful for
Oh, mom. Yeah. Oh, me do one.
not too shy.
Adeo, yeah, what you go sing for us? Anna,
Come on, B.
no, you go sing now. It's fun. Who do you even mind that?
Did you know? You finished this thing in like 5 seconds.
Hey, you made me a believer. Last by the grace of the fire and the flame. Oh, you're the face of the future, the blood in my veins. Ooh, the blood.
Scared to face my fear. Nobody told me that you'd be here.
My heart beating, you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now. I'll climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I broke. 'Cause I like phantom, phantom. If I tell you say I love you, you know they fun down, down. Oh yeah. Do not tell me no, 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 no. Oh, 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 oh. Baby, come give me a love, oh, 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 oh. You got me like oh, 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 oh. I be passing down, oh, oh. Must have been in the city, oh, oh. Come here.
That's what's up.
Is Louis ready?
Let's celebrate John. The cold never bothered me anyway. From the day that I met you, girl.
Okay guys, if you've watched up to this point, you're the real MVP. Let me know in the comments by typing something. I'd love to hear from you. I'm really glad you enjoyed the vlog so far. I have a TikTok playlist of all 3 full karaoke performances from tonight. I can't post them here due to copyright, but you can watch them. Just follow me on TikTok at Bobbie_Lex and check out the karaoke playlist. We also did some tote bag painting and Gunank won the raffle prize, a Beat by Dre headphone along with other cool stuff.
Oh my God, Gunnar! Oh my God, the headphone!
And that's a wrap on my orientation week activities and the first day of class. In the next video, I'll be sharing my first real adventure outside school, exploring winter activities in Canada. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Bobbie